Top of the morning, 5 a.m. Here grabbing my load. Thank you. Here grabbing my load. I don't even know where I'm going. What don't make no sense is they want me to come in mad early to drive 10 minutes up the street. Make that make sense? Because get here at 5, I grab my load, I drive my 40 minutes at 6 o'clock. Now I gotta sit till 7, but they don't want to unload till like 8 o'clock because the worker that's supposed to unload ain't even working yet. Not dumb. But we gonna get this day over with. I know I'm looking a little dusty. No cap. I just woke up, showered, and then had straight hair. I ain't even moisturized. I got that in my bag though, so I'm good. But I'm gonna catch you when I hook the trailer. So here now, about to do my walk around, check underneath the trailer. I can't really see, but I'm gonna use my flashlight real quick. Hold on. Alright, make sure the locking is good. I used the flashlight off my phone. My hazards is good. Make sure my tire pressure is good. Good. Make sure my back is good. Yeah, right, because I'm about to get to my destination around 6:30. They don't unload till 7, 8 o'clock, so it's like I'm cooling for right now. I gotta make sure the seal is right because last time I delivered and drove all the way, like an hour away, and the seal was incorrect. And I told the dude at security, and all he did was write the new number on the paper. The trailer was correct and everything. It was just that the seal was wrong and they loaded the wrong stuff in the truck. All the stuff that I had in my truck was going to Maine. So I drove to the store, delivered this. Well, I drove to the store, sat at the store for like 4 hours for no reason, because all they did was put the stuff back on and tell me that load is for Maine. So I had to come back over here to this warehouse, and I had to go back out. It was crazy. So make sure the seal is right, make sure the trailer's right, have them check it, because if the seal is wrong, have them check the inside, because you don't want to go through what I went through. That was a terrible day. Still got paid though. That's all I could say. So at the end of the day gonna end, and at the end of the day, my check better clear. That's a fact. And another thing, I realized that my first video came out where it was doing the vertical screen, and I figured it out. I made that mistake. These videos shouldn't be that way from now on. I'm learning, taking it day by day. That's a fact.
Nobody broke it. Put me in the game, I give a fuck about what the coach said. Money something lame, I give a fuck about what the host said. Greatest of all time, I give a fuck about what your goat said. Got for every day, and fuck everything, you should know, yeah.
This store's so close. This store's so close, I don't even need the GPS, bro. Like, as soon as I leave, I'll be right there. Like, and just like that, I am here. I'm just at the light right now. Honestly, I don't even know how to really maneuver back there, but we're gonna figure it out. It is 6:26, as I said. I'll get here in a jiffy. It's like why I gotta come so early to just sit around? Cause why? I'm about to sit here for at least an hour until they touch my truck. At least. Good thing I brought my laptop. I'm about to start editing and all type of stuff. But I'm gonna show y'all the backup and stuff as well. So when I could bump the dock, I can't bump the dock until they break the seal. I'll show you the seal. It's like mad hard. I can't break it myself, so I have to wait for them to use like a saw, some type of thing. But I'll catch you when they cut the seal. Well, honestly, every time I come to a Lowe's, I try to still get my truck unloaded. They tell me the same thing every time, but it is what it is. Yeah, so I gotta go to the door. I guess just let them know I'm here and things like that. But it's the seal right here. I can't break that myself. They gotta cut that. So, and then also on top of that, it's like you want me here to get unloaded before 7. They don't open till 7. But I just give them the paperwork just so they got it. Before I go, speaking of Lowe's, I got so much home improvement that I gotta do at the house. Like, I gotta sand this door, well, the doors, and repaint them so that my doors can actually close. It's kind of crazy how they did it. They painted over the doorknobs and everything. So if y'all want to see videos like that too, I could definitely run those up, because that's like something I'm doing at home, just chilling and handling my business. So if you like to see those videos as well, run it up, man. I'm running it up. I got the content, promise you. And I need a new refrigerator. Like, I want a stainless steel with the ice maker, like, just cause, like, I need to get that too. I need to stack up and grab that. And a new washing machine would be great, but washing machine still works perfectly fine. It's just a waiting process. So yeah, those are some things I want to get done eventually within the year. We'll see.
Few moments later.
My point exactly. It is now 7:30. They just now about to get started, bro. You finally broke the seal for your boy. So I'm gonna take this door open and get my truck unloaded. So I'm gonna catch you when I catch you. Brother, time is currently 8:40. Still getting unloaded. I just finished editing this video. Oh my gosh, it took forever. Cause at home on my computer, everything was crashing. But thankful for this laptop, man. Honestly, that laptop's the best investment I've ever made. Cause bruh, I wouldn't be able to do none of this right now. Like, it wouldn't send nothing to my computer, so I got that handled. So now I'm still waiting. I gotta be to my next stop before 10. I don't even know how far it is. I think it's like 15, 20 minutes because I gotta go right up the highway. So I think it's like 30 minutes away, but either way, I gotta be there before 10. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. Hopefully they done, because they haven't been moving lately for like the past 10, 15 minutes. I don't know if they waiting for me or what, but they typically come to my truck. So I guess we standing here waiting. Exporting the video right now for my my first video. And we just getting straight to it, bro. I'm running it up, bro. I'm finding the content. I'm going crazy, bro. I'm telling you. I'm striving for greatness, bro. That's all I'm doing. So I hope y'all enjoying this journey. So he just finished, signed my paperwork. Now I gotta lock up the trailer. So I'm about to do that. And once I finish that, that's what I gotta deliver next to my next store. So I'm gonna catch you when I get to the next location.
My life will never be the same. I'ma chop the line, my life change. I'ma buy one Benz on range. Big dreams, my mind can't stop it. Hellcat, plan me a profit. GLS 600, format 4.96 blast at the rocket. I feel here, plus it come with that jolly. So we up in that Bronx and I bum street traffic. Smoking blunt, this is 21 savage. I'm never in Ghana, I'm drinking. Take risk, when me I put in work, you're gon' get rich. Just I live my life, I'm reckless. 30,000 US on my necklace. You have to take risk. I take a risk, like send me have an extra life. I get a youth and Benz and extra drive. See them get rich and get extra life. Never spell my chop, then I leave my wife. Convinced the wound to believe the lie. Then I got my tipsy feeling I jacks up, get chopped, more not tonight. Jacks up, get chopped, more not
So I'm here at the next door, 25 minutes away. Simple. Gonna run through the same process. Gotta wait to get unloaded, but since they already been open, they typically load pretty fast. So do a quick little trucker maneuver because, you know, big boy trucker. That truck was in the way, so. But I'm here right now, about to pull in. Had them check the seals, snap it, and then gotta bump the dock. And then after I do that, they gonna get to work. And yeah, then I'm on to I'm gotta drop the trailer off, and then I'm done for the day. That's what I believe. Leave them Broadway girls at home. The sun is beaming, but look, yes sir, the sun gaze is feeling amazing. Ooh. Oh wee. Let's see what they talking about. Oh, I didn't twist it. Hey, how you doing? I'm here at NFI Appliances.
Yep. I think someone just backed into the door.
Oh, for real?
I think so.
So I
It
got,
could be our other, we have an appliance pickup for our delivery, so it might be them.
got you.
All right,
That
gotta
top
check.
copy is yours, and then you can just sign the
I
bottom.
gotta check yours. They reseal it?
Yeah, well, I did it.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
gotta check this. Oh, shit, that's my fault. Go ahead. And then, did they tell you that you're getting reloaded?
No, they didn't tell me that part.
Yeah, we're unloading you, and today's an appliance pickup day.
Okay.
I guess we're reloading you, and we'll reseal it.
Okay. And then it's go right back to East Hartford,
Nope, it's
right?
going back to East Hartford. I have the
All right.
paperwork and everything for you ready.
All right, no problem.
26. We're good. Yeah, I think someone backed in. I heard air brakes.
Oh, that was probably me then.
You. Sounds like they were at the door.
Yeah.
Nope, you can back right in. There's nobody there.
The first one?
Yep, first
All right,
day.
perfect. Thank you.
Yep.
It is warm. It was cold this morning, but yet again, it was 5 in the morning, so. I gotta do everything in one hand since I'm recording. I'm gonna get that camera down pat, like, so I can just prop it up and do my thing. One day, someday. But now I gotta bump the dock. As he said, I got an appliance pickup, so I just gotta, they're gonna load my stuff on my trailer. Then I bring it back to the terminal, and then they do whatever they gotta do with it. So that's their business. But I'm gonna bump the dock, and I'm gonna get right back to it. So they bent the load bar. I don't even think I really need it for real. Like, what y'all think? That looks sturdy to me, right? And if it's slim, it's not like it's about to tip over. It's not even that tall. So I don't know. I feel like I'm perfectly fine, but they doing their job. I'm doing mine. I think they got a new one. Cause that one's bent, so I don't know what to tell them. Yeah, that one's better. All right, cool. That one better?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not all fair.
Right.
One eternity later.
Well, now that I had a backhaul, I gotta go drop off the paperwork in the office. And after that, I park my truck and I'm out of here. It's 12 o'clock. I'm tired. I've been up all morning. People that start at 12 pulling in right now, so they'll be all right. They got to spread out the work evenly. That's a fact. So yeah, I'm about to first. Drop off the paperwork and get up out of here. Warehouse be having the doors locked, like you don't gotta pass security to come in. Like, what's the door? Why the door locked? It ain't even nighttime, bruh. But I am done. I am done. I got more content coming, man. I just be chilling, taking it day by day. So I'm gonna end it here. If y'all rock with this video, like I said in the last one, I need them 10 likes. I need them 10 likes and I'll drop this one. So if this one has dropped, you know I got the 10 likes. If you want more content, I'm gonna up the ante to 15, because if y'all hit 10 likes, that was too easy for y'all. So 15, and I'll get more content going. I'm letting it roll. I'm rolling, you know? Just like G Herbo said, I'm rolling. Yeah, you know that, G Herbo. So yeah, I'ma park my truck. I'ma call it a day. Peace.